Okay, this is the PowerPoint for the technical support class I'm about to do. So this is basically the front page cover right here where it says job presentation, the careers of information technology, brought to you by Aton Evans. So that's next slide. Go on to the first slide of the presentation, which is basically the network and computer systems administrators. What these employees in this field of the IT careers are doing is that their job is to make sure that they are maintaining a strong computer cabling operations throughout an entire computer business facility, and they are also responsible for ensuring that the computers are functioning the right way and are in good condition to perform duties and tasks throughout the whole day for all employees to do. So if anything goes wrong, the administrators are the ones to turn to whenever customers or users have a very difficult situation with their computers at their house. So they always go to the administrators for advice. This is the second slide, which is telecommunications. They're responsible for doing transmissions of signs and cabling in the IT networking field. And they also are responsible for transmissioning through different wires and to make sure that the computers are working good and connected to each other as well. This is the third job field, programming. What computer programming is that it allows the user to design and create different programs on the computer that are both educational and fun to use for everyone and for kids as well, basically for all families. Whether the programmer is basically programming and designing an educational game or just designing a certain program for a computer software or whatever. They can basically enter the programming field to design all kinds of programs for a computer to use in the near future and for generations to come. This is the fourth one, which is information security analysts. These are similar to employees that work for cybersecurity. Their daily duties are to check for any suspicious harmful malware that are attacking the computers in the buildings, or if any kinds of cash get stolen from anyone's computers, or if any user encounters any type of suspicious theft going on in their computers, they always go to ask advice from the security analyst or to seek help from the security analyst to find out what the problem is. And then this is the last slide, computer support specialists. They're responsible for delivering good customer service to customers over the phone and to handle their issues and situations that they are dealing with in a friendly and respectful manner. So no matter what the job is, whenever you're talking with customers over the phone, you always have to treat them with good care and good respect, and always try to greet them in a friendly manner by saying good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, depending on whatever time of day or time of night that you're talking with the customer when you're working in a support specialist area in the IT field. I think this would be a really cool career to go into because you get to deal with a lot of customers, which is a good benefit for everyone that works in the IT field or for any other job that they have. Then this is the salary wage for all 5 of those jobs that I have mentioned and demonstrated. So, and then I will post up the video link as well. So the network and computer systems administrators hourly wage is $41.86. Their annual wage is $87,070. Telecommunications field is $45.11 for hourly wage and $93,830 for the annual wage of the year. Programming is $46.77 hourly and $97,290 yearly or annually. Information security analysts get paid $47.28 an hour, and then they get an annual wage of $98,350 a year. Computer support specialists get $25.70 per hour, and they get an annual yearly wage of $53,470. So that is a chart right there of the hourly wage and annual wage that each of those 5 jobs that I demonstrated in the PowerPoint gets. So that concludes the PowerPoint. See you later.